Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix external microphone not working in Windows 11, 10. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, click Sound Settings. Click Recording tab, right-click, check Show Disabled Devices, also check Show Disconnected Devices. Right-click Disable Device, click Enable Device. Right-click, select Set as Default Device. Click Properties. Second method is right-click speaker icon, click Sound Settings. Select your external microphone device. Select Volume Mixer. Click Reset all settings to default. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Right-click External Microphone Device, click Update Driver. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click External Microphone Device, click Uninstall Device. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.